Good day to you. Welcome to this channel, Supermatics 9215. In this tutorial, we are going to look at 4 different ways to order fractions, 4 different ways to arrange fractions. And we shall be considering this example, arrange in ascending order these fractions, 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 2 over 5, and 7 over 10. Let's get it started. The first method, the use of percentages. In using percentages, we are going to express each fraction as a percentage. And to express a fraction as a percentage, we multiply it by 100. So 1 over 2 as a percentage is going to be 1 over 2 times 100, which is 50%. The next one is 3 over 4. As a percentage, it is 3 over 4 times 100. 4 in 100 is 25, and 25 times 3 gives 75. That's 75% for 3 over 4. Then 2 over 5, the third one. That's going to be 2 over 5 times 100. 5 in 100 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. That gives 40%. And the last one, which is 7 over 10. That gives 7 over 10 times 100, which is 70%. Now, from the percentages, we can arrange them in ascending order. So, in ascending order, we have 40% is the lowest. That corresponds to 2 over 5. That's from the smallest to the biggest. Followed by 50%, which corresponds to 1 over 2. The next is 70%, which is 7 over 10. And finally, 75%, which is 3 over 4. The second method, the use of equivalent fractions through LCM. So first, we find the LCM of the denominators, that is the lowest common denominator, 4, 2, 4, 5, and 10. Their LCM is 20. Then after finding the LCM, we use this LCM to express each of them as an equivalent fraction, having a denominator of 20, the LCM. So starting with 1 over 2, and we are looking for what to become the numerator. So what we do here is we say 20 divided by 2, the denominators, that gives 10. Then the same 10 multiplies 1, that gives 10 over 20. The next is 3 over 4. So we have 3 over 4. The equivalent fraction must have a denominator of 20. And 4 in 20 is 5. So we use the same 5 to multiply 3. And that gives 15. The next is 2 over 5. Must also have a denominator of 20. So 5 times 4 gives 20. Then the same 4 multiplies 2 to give 8. Then finally, 7 over 10. 10 times 2 gives 20, so the same 2 multiplies 7, and that gives 14. Now that they have the same denominators, it is easy to arrange them in any order given to us. So in ascending order, we have the lowest being 8 over 20, which corresponds to 2 over 5, followed by 10 over 20, which is 1 over 2, followed by 14 over 20, which is 7 over 10, and lastly 15 over 20, which is 3 over 4. The third method, the use of whole numbers through the LCM. Don't forget, the LCM remains 20. Now, each fraction will be multiplied by the LCM in order to make it a whole number. So starting with 1 over 2 again, we have 1 over 2 times 20, and that gives 10. 3 over 4 times 20, that gives 4 in 20 is 5, and 5 times 3, 15. Also, 2 over 5 2 over 5 times 20. That gives 5 in 20 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 7 over 10 times 20. That gives 2 times 7, which is 14. In ascending order, the fractions are 8, which is 2 over 5, 10, which is 1 over 2, 14, which is 7 over 10, and lastly, 15, which corresponds to 3 over 4. Number 4, the use of decimal fractions. In this method, each fraction is expressed as a decimal fraction. Then we may make them 2 to 3 decimal places to accommodate for certain fractions that will not stop at just one decimal place. So 1 over 2 is 0.5. We can write it as 0.50. 3 over 4 is 0.75 as a decimal fraction. 2 over 5. 2 over 5 as a decimal fraction is 0.4. We can write it as 0.40. And finally, 7 over 10 is 0.7, which can be written as 0.70. Now that they have all been expressed as decimal fractions, and especially to 2 places of decimal, which makes it easier to arrange them in ascending order, we have 0.40 is the smallest, which is 2 over 5, followed by 0.50, which is 1 over 2, then 0.70, which is 7 over 10, and finally 0.75, which is 3 over 4. 4 different methods, the same results. Which of them is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. Do you find the tutorial useful? Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and help us share it so that others too can learn from it.